Sunday when I met you last spring, I fell in love. You'd given when I'd pull you close to me, not letting up. When all was good, when all was perfect, sit out on the sidewalk, no shoes on, without no trouble. When things were simple, kiss you till your tired lips moved on. This one's for you and all your endless nights. If I had one wish, I'd wish to keep you by my side. Years go by, you're always gone away. You call me home, I wait for you, I'm trying to be brave, but it's a long road. My family tree has been cut down, I hold it all together with tape and crayons. What I have lost, I finally found. I need you 'cause my hope's coming around. This one's for you and all your endless nights. If I had one wish, I'd wish to keep you by my side. This one's for you and all your endless nights. If I had one wish, I'd wish to keep you by my
Gima, pabida moment ka na.
Walang ganito sa pupuntahan ko. Kaya mag-miss ko talaga sa'yo.
Walay lighting.
Ano sabihin nyo? Personal message from the stockholders.
Ito, let's start off with the
Beshi!
girl.
Why me? I'm eating! Brad pa rin talaga sila.
Magdo-document na.
Kasi ikaw muna. Kasi, ano masabi mo?
So, hindi pa naman ito goodbye.
Dapat ani ba, Gay? Dapat naka-ani mo dapat, no? Ani, no?
So, what can you say about your flowers? So, ito galing.
Uy, si Kuya Chris ang nag-pick, ana ba ya?
Uy, iba ni Kuya Chris.
Sa may garbage ito. Naglabay mo sa garbage.
So, si Kuya Chris.
O sige na, ano na masasabi mo, Gisela? Tagal.
Speechless talaga ako katao ngayon. Nasa
Dali na. Sige, si Jimarie na lang. Jim, ko. Sige, si Jimarie na lang. Dali. Okay, wala ka siyang kilay ngayon. Sige.